If you don't know where I am, I don't even know where I am. I just started wandering around while the camera was off to see if I could get lost, and I'm lost. I've been wandering around for a while. I said I was gonna go shower. I did. These guys won't move, but I want to go to the fiery thing. Ha! Idiots. So I don't know where I am. I crawled up the path where the campfire was. I went back to the campfire, and then I went up. I'm sorry I didn't film that. I'm sorry. If you're following this because you want to know how to beat this game, I'm surprised that you're following me. Go follow someone who's actually good at this game. I don't know where I am, though. Ooh, hello. Hello? Get in the hole. Huh. Awesome. Oh, shit. Not awesome. There's a lot of guards. Seriously, I didn't play this game to play Splinter Cell. What's over here? Nothing? Cool. Ooh, doors. Should I touch it?
The door's bolted shut.
Okay. Could you be any louder? It's not like you're in stealth mode or anything. Idiot. So I'm getting really into this right now. Like, I'm really getting into this. Although it's going really slow because I don't want to go out of stealth mode. I don't know where I am. I have no idea where this is. Did they seriously spawn me? Nothing. Guys, don't.
Have you seen any? Not yet.
Guys, it's okay. I don't know where I am. Just gonna keep going. What's down here? Go, 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 go. Shit! Shit! Oh! Oh, I got some blue thing! I got a blue thing! Guys, I got a blue thing. Guys, what is that? A peculiar blue plant. Will it heal me? Because that's the only thing. Here, go. Shit! Shit! Oh, my last save point was all the way back here.
Get him!
Ugh, I hate stealth.
Look other way!
So I like one over here. I guess I can show you now where I went. I like one over here. I went up here. And there's like a guard up there. You see him? You see him being a little bitch? Yeah, we're gonna go that way. We're gonna go with him. He's gonna like kind of be like our tour guide. See, watch. Stand here. Maybe get a little closer. 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 Okay, at some point he should start like walking up that hill. Yeah! We're just gonna fall behind. It's cool because he walks really slow too. So. So Halloween's coming up, eh? I'm gonna have to start talking about random stuff because nothing. Ooh, did you see that? Shiny blue. Ooh, shiny. Yeah, Halloween's coming up. What are you doing for Halloween? Do you sit at home and watch movies? That's what I do. Or play video games. Maybe I'll play another horror game for Halloween. Any really good horror games you want me to play? I have already played to death Slenderman. Outlast I played a little bit. This didn't show up the last time I did this, did it? No, it didn't. Okay. He's like coming this way, isn't he? Oh my god, he's seriously coming this way. Oh god. Down in here. So do you go to like parties? Everybody like my age group goes to parties and gets drunk and dresses really provocatively. I do none of that. I seriously just sit at home and play video games. I actually love watching horror movies near Halloween. What's your favorite horror movie? I'm gonna be like that guy from Scream. So those doors are nothing. I want to get over to that blue flower, right? Is that important? I don't know. It's my time.
Have you noticed anything, Arya? Wow.
No.
No, everything seems fine.
Everything seems fine. They have spit problems. Is it because they're underwater? Yeah. Time. What? How did they see me? How did they see me?
Hold it.
No, no, no. Not hold it. Guys, how the hell did they just see me? Right then. Oh! Oh! Hello. This is new. I want to go get that flower, though. No, I'm just going to chill out here until things calm. Oh, God, they can still see me. I'm just going to chill out here until things calm down. I need a new first aid kit. There. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Is there guards in here? Oh! Woo! Save point. I need to go back and get that blue flower. I need to go back and get that blue flower. That looked important. I'm gonna go back and get it. Unless they're not chill. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna go down there. I'm gonna go get the flower first. Are they gone? Yeah. There's another one of those tentacle monsters. It's like a flower. That's kind of cool. Is there anything else up here that I need? No? Okay. I'm just gonna take this flower then. What does that say?
I'll need to decipher it.
Where's my book? They took my book! Bitches. Why would they take my book but leave me with like ammo and a chisel in my cell? What the hell? Okay, so... No, I don't need to save again. I can just go grab the flower. It's not that hard. I'm gonna go down here. Ooh. Is this pretty? Okay. How? Okay. I really have no idea what's going on. I am so lost in this game. I am 100% lost right now. Please be a health pack. Please be a health pack. Oh, yes. That just gave me goosebumps picking up the health pack. What's in here? Anything cool I can pick up in here? Can I go into the waterfall? Oh, I'm walking on the water. What? That's kind of trippy. Anything up here? Anything up here? No? Okay. Alright, then I'm headed out this way. See you later. I really am lost. Up, up. Good boy. Ooh. Huh. That would suck. Oh, another saving point. Wonderful. Some stuff must... Should I take a break here? Go shower? Is it past 11? It is past 11. Okay, just a little bit more. I can't stop. It's like an addiction. Oh my.
Between the laboratories, they keep the doors are shut and sealed. The outsiders have not been able to cross through the barrier. Mother Song is holding. There are many joining in trial.
Excellent. Dismissed.
Excellent. Ever watch Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure?
What the hell do you think you're doing, Robert? We're in the middle of an invasion, and you've got our order singing hymns!
You're a fool, Sebastian. I command the Order of Dagon, not you.
The research must be protected at all costs!
I've shut the lab down, Sebastian.
What? This is madness!
No, this is Sparta!
Your
Kicks the
trivial
desk.
experiments are of no concern to me. All energies must be directed at completing the translation of the tablets. The work of my great-grandfather must be finished. Take your worthless body back to shore. You are of no further use to the Order.
That's not going to happen, Robert!
Robert. Dude, he's Darth Vader. Dude. You idiot! Oh no. You're an idiot. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Die, bitch! Die, bitch! Die, bitch! Die, bitch!
It's not safe. I don't have time to look at it.
Of course you have time to look at it. Look at you.
They're going to find me. Nothing of interest.
No, I'm gonna run through this door. No, no, no! Shit, shit, shit. Let go of me. Let go of me. I need to go through that door. Shit. Shit. Come on. You can do this, buddy. You've got this. Through the
It's
door.
locked.
Shit.
You don't belong here.
You don't belong here. This is my home. What? What? What is this? What is happening right now? I gotta do this again.
They're calling to me.
I gotta do this just one more time because I don't know what trippy's happening right now. Come on, we're gonna just get through this. I don't wanna. Yep, let's do this.
There is no escape.
No, this is the escape, right? Shit. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go. I need to go over here and escape? No.
Books and ancient manuscripts. I recognize
You
some
are
of the
really
symbols
cool.
from the Book of Dagon.
No, I won't kneel. How do I make this stop? Is there something I grab onto? What do I grab onto? What do I grab onto? I can't get through this door.
Most of the volumes appear to cover witch cults and sorcery.
Guys, what do I grab onto? Guys, do I grab onto something? No, how do I get out of this? How do I do this? Grab onto the wheel.
Before Father Dagon.
No, I won't kneel before anybody. Guys. What do I do here?
Can't hide from me.
How do I do this? How do I do this? There, I'm gone now, eh?
Race is finished. It is our time.
Guys, what do I do? Do I use the flower? Okay, you know what? I gotta take a break. I'm done. I gotta go shower. I'm gonna think about it in the shower. I don't know. That's weird. That's trippy. I don't like that. I'll kick his ass.